What's going on, everybody? Oh, I'm so excited. Wouldn't it be so cool just to keep this sealed for 25 years? Oh, man. Well, you know us. We gotta rip. We can't keep sealed. We can keep one box of everything sealed, but that's about it. I love that in a case it comes with a checklist. I love this. I don't know if, probably if you just get single boxes. Wow, these are definitely bigger than I had thought. Even on stream, they don't look this big. I like that. All right. Wow. Normally I would keep one sealed, but we have another case coming. Plus 7 Lucy's from our NFT. So this was from someone else's NFT. Alright, I want to try and keep the boxes not damaged. And we're just jumping right into it. Your treasure chest awaits. Scan for the odds of what's inside. Oh, I should read the serial before we rip this. Oh. Ooh, this is a low mint. Let's go. So I'm going to do this off camera. I'm going to open all the seals just so it's not a long video. But I'll show you the 4479. Wow, I like the variety. 2959. 1049. 1115. Oh, and I almost want to keep that sealed. 5491. What a range. Love this. 1206. 4541. 3648. All right, nothing crazy special for serial numbers. I do like that one though. 1115 555, but not crazy. So, by the way, I will do a couple opening in this video, and then I'm going to do some just single videos because for more content. All right, this is it. Here we go. All right, let's take time to admire the box here. Love the gold logo. Pin. Okay, so this I think is the copper. Ooh, Black Cobra. So you get a mystery super sticker. So sapphire design, some autos, refractor treasure. So this is the copper pin, I believe. I got a pin board that I'm going to be putting pins on and stuff. I do like these, but I think my pin board's going to be cool because I can line everything up. So we'll keep that in there. This is going to be out of 75. Very cool. And you can see why I'm not doing all the boxes. This would be like a hour-long video because first time opening this. Super cool. Now, look at this. Black sapphires. I could check the checklist for... What if there's like something hidden underneath the foam? Like, what if one day Gary's like, so you remember those treasure chest boxes? There's something actually hidden in each box. Like, just imagine. Oh, that's out of 55. Nice. Let's go. I'll be doing special videos on each pin and stuff. So stay tuned for that. And coin. So this is a copper. The otter. Wow, they got a little weight to them. Let me see what the copper is out of. So this is really cool because it goes over like a huge thing here. Coins. copper out of 400. So brass is the base pretty much out of 500. Out of 4, 3, 2, 2, 10, 5. Oh, man. Let's go. Let's go. That's cool. I'm just curious. Just for the first box. Okay, it doesn't... You probably could rip that up, but we're not doing that. All right, one box down. Many to go. So I'll do another one in this video. We're already at 5 minutes. And then I'll do single videos per box. Here we go. Oh, is that another copper? I believe another copper. Look at that, gem proof. Gold monkey. So it's not real gold, it's gilt metal. That's so nice. Wow, I love these coins. Ooh, is this a base? What do we have here? No, yellow. I think that's yellow. So I believe those are the yellow sapphires. And again, I'm going to do single videos per pin with a professional quality, or at least try to do professional. Out of 80. Sorry guys, my hands are hot and the pin is cold, so it's causing it to like steam up. Really cool. So far, our boxes have been nice. I'm pretty sure this is the copper. It looks like copper. I don't know what... I might rip these all at once on like a stream or something. We'll see. Is this? It looks like the Barracuda. Copper. Out of 75, was that? Out of 70? Yeah. Yep, copper. Swaggy. I like this copper because it's got more black in it. All right, so those were 2 boxes. Oh, we got to put these back in. I'm going to save these boxes. Who knows for what? I did the same for the manga. But, yeah. Thanks for watching, guys.